Hello friends, from Standard 10th Science and Technology Part 1st, chapter number Heat. Here in this chapter, some solved numerical examples are given in the textbook. Though also we are going to solve them again to get the proper idea. Now on page number 69, the example given is how much heat and energy is necessary to raise the temperature of 5 kilogram of water from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. Now the given data is mass of water, that is M, is equal to 5 kilogram. Specific heat capacity of water, that is small c, is equal to 1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius. Change in temperature, that is delta T, is from 20 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. That means change is of 100 degrees Celsius minus 20 degrees Celsius. It will be equal to 80 degree Celsius. Now the solution is energy to be supplied to the water is equal to energy gained by the water. This will be nothing but the principle of heat exchange. Therefore, heat supplied to the water is equal to heat gained by water. How much heat the water gains, it can be given by the formula mass into specific heat capacity into the change in temperature. Now, mass is of 5 kilograms into specific heat capacity of 1 kilocalorie per kilogram degree Celsius into 80 degree, that is change in temperature. Now kilogram, which is present in the numerator, kilogram present in denominator, will both be cancelled by each others. Degree Celsius in denominator and degree Celsius in numerator will both be cancelled by each others. So 5 into 1, that is 5. This 5 into 80, that multiplication will be equal to 400 kilocalorie. This will be the final answer. That means this much amount of heat is absorbed by the water. Thank you.